Hello my lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I just forgot to do a pray video before this. I just remembered when I'd reached at this stage, but let me walk you through it, okay? So first and foremost, today we are going to cook supper with you guys, raw and unfiltered. First things first, I was cooking ugali, omena and kales. So I had to start with omena because it was a bit of a process. So first things first, after you are done picking the good omenas, you wash them, then you boil them. After boiling, you pour the water, rinse it with clean water. Then in a clean sufuria, you put oil, let it cook. Then after the oil is ready, you put in your omena and give it time to deep fry, okay? While it's crispy and all that, that's when you'll start the process of putting other ingredients. So first and foremost, you must give your omena enough oil, and then you let it cook. Don't disturb it. Don't be moving the cooking stick in it, okay? Coriander. Oh, got the name. I'm looking for coriander somewhere here. Let me smell this. This smells so nice. Let me pick these ones. These ones. Not even seeing the leaves. Okay. Let's put it on my own mena. I think this is enough. My omena is done. It looks so nice. And so for ugali. Yeah. So here my water had boiled and I was adding flour, waiting for it to boil. As an African person, you must wait for that flour, the first flour to boil properly. It's not permitted to come with not well cooked ugali. So you must let it cook properly. You see the way it's boiling? That's how it's supposed to be. And then another thing, have you seen my cooking stick? I have a very long cooking stick. As an African person, in the correct cooking stick is this one, the long cooking stick. It can cook ugali for many people, unlike the small cooking stick. But if you have a small family, if it's ugali for few people, the small cooking stick works well. So it's just mixing my flour with the water. You mix very well, then you let it boil again. Okay, this is to ensure the ugali is very well cooked. Slowly, no. So slowly by slowly, my ugali was taking shape and form, and luckily I found someone else to help me record the whole process, because now the ugali is getting hard and it needs the strength to, turn it over and over and over, so that we can ensure proper cooking. You see? Very easy. Just cook, cook, turn over, cook, cook, let it cook, and ensure the fire is nice. Like the fire should be well lit so that the heat can reach. It's like baking. The heat can reach the ugali. Okay? So here we're just making stories as we continue cooking. Slowly by slowly as I let my ugali cook properly. Okay? We're almost there. We're almost there. Actually, it's not a hard process. I don't think it's hard. I think it can be difficult for some people who are not used to uh, the traditional uh, cooker. Let me just say cooker, but the three stones are traditional. Those who are not used to it can be a little bit challenging on how to balance the cooking pot and all that, because when you turn and the cooking pot is not well put, it can be challenging sometimes. So you make sure the fire is nice, is good, and then you let your garlic cook properly. No hurry, no hurry. We don't want people to taste, uh, you know, not well cooked garlic. Do you know in African village, for you to taste if the ugali is well cooked, you take a little bit. If it's hot inside, very hot, they assume it's properly cooked.